Have you ever wondered why guacamole is called guacamole? Today, we're diving deep into the history and evolution of this beloved dip. Guacamole has ancient roots, tracing back to the Aztecs in what is now Mexico. The word guacamole comes from Nahuatl, capamole, capolo, ahuacatl, meaning avocado, and mole, meaning sauce. The U.S. government lifted a ban on avocado imports in the 1990s, coinciding with the growth of the Latino population, which significantly increased guacamole consumption. Guacamole's popularity has surged, now a staple at Super Bowl parties and Cinco de Mayo celebrations, but its name remains rooted in ancient Aztec culture. Despite being widely known as guacamole, some memes playfully suggest nicknames like blood guacamole. However, these are not to be taken seriously. Understanding the origins of guacamole enriches our appreciation for its cultural significance and deep history. It's more than just a dip. It's a blend of tradition and modernity. In summary, guacamole is called guacamole due to its Nahuatl roots. Its widespread popularity today is a blend of historical and contemporary factors. So there you have it. Guacamole's name isn't just a word, it's a window into history. What surprised you most about the origins of this dip? Let me know in the comments.